Okay. Thank you. Fams, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. I am super excited. Why? You will get to know. And before we go into the video, you are welcome to my channel. To all my new subscribers, thank you for clicking on this video again. And if you have not subscribe, click on the notification bell and like this video for me, guys. Thank you for coming back again. To all my returning subscribers, thank you. Yeah, today is a happy day for me. Why? I'm so refreshed. Yeah, you guys just wish us happy anniversary. Today is our 9 years traditional marriage. This day 9 years ago, we did a traditional marriage, and I'm so grateful to God. I was just looking back, looking at those pictures and looking at what God has done for us in this past 9 years. It's been great. It's been great. What a journey. What a journey. What a journey. God has been faithful. 9 years down the lane, so many waters has passed under the bridge, but we are still standing. We are here by the grace of God. I'm so grateful to God, and I know next year is going to be a beautiful one. The rest of the years God is going to add to us is going to be a beautiful one. That's my prayer. That's my prayers. Yeah, so I just put the kids to bed and I went to refresh myself. Yeah, this week has been a busy week for us. Today is 13th December. It's been a busy week. My husband has been working 16-hour shifts, so I'm just so overwhelmed with everything, but I cannot complain. Someone is knocking. I'll be back. What came in?
Since it is another
yeah.
minute, you have to just.
So I will tell you much about this later. Yeah, my baby is awake. Hi. See your foot here. So as I was talking, they were trying to fix solar in our roof, so they just finished. The guy that did it brought a pizza that I just showed you now. So I thank God for everything. Not to take much time, let me just take you along. I'm preparing something. I don't even know what I'm preparing, but it's pasta, which I will carry you guys along. Just wish us happy anniversary in the comment section. Yeah, today's 13 traditional marriage. Tomorrow is officially 9 years wedding anniversary. Say happy anniversary to mommy and daddy. We thank God. So guys, let me just take you along what I'm trying to prepare with my baby. Say hi. Hi mama. Let me put this for you properly. Yeah. I don't have a specific recipe. I just want to put up something different from what we'll be having. So let's go, guys.
Alright, I'll take care. Yeah.
I added water off camera. I will just allow it to cook for some time. Oh my bubble. So guys, let me show you. It's dry now. I want to pour my onions, ginger, fresh thyme, the garlic now. You guys can see. I have a fresh pepper here that I'm going to toast. Just cover that for some minutes. And guys, I have not much time, so I want to pour this mixed veggie because time is already going. My husband is going to work this afternoon. I'm carrying Domino. He just woke up. Let me just put him back. So I want to just add little bits of soy sauce. It's not much. Almost done. I'll leave it to cook a little bit more. I should disregard the dirt on my stove. I'll definitely clean it tonight. I ought to do it yesterday, like guys. I was so tired. Like I told you guys that my husband works 16 hours shift ish this week. It's only today that he's working 3 to 11. So it's been a overwhelming week for me. You guys can tell. So whenever I can't do anything, I just leave it in the night and shut down and sleep because my health matters. Yeah, Daniel. So let's finish. So disregard whatever you see on the stove. Let's finish. It's done at this point. It's fully prepared. So I'll put the spaghetti now. I'm carrying the baby. I'll just be using one hand. Hey, don't touch it. It's not easy. My baby is clinching these days. He doesn't want to stay. So he doesn't want to stay on his chair or anywhere. Bobby is preparing to shower so that I can go to work. He will pick the vibe before going. Yeah. So this thing is so good. The sauce already is really good. It's a new recipe, right? And it's so good. I just wanted something special and different from what we've been having this week, since it's our traditional wedding anniversary. I'm using one hand. It's not easy. Motherhood. Oh, if you don't know how to do choice with kids in your hand, you need to come and learn from me. Either at your back or let me just put myself in the camera for you guys to see me. If you don't know how to do choice as a woman, come and learn from me with your baby in your hand. So that's it, guys. I will just leave it to cook for some minutes. Hopefully my kids eat and enjoy it. So I don't have much to do again today. I'll just clean the stove. I've already washed the dishes, just the little stuff I use now. Just for me to bond with the kids when my husband is at work, then we sleep. I put them to bed like around 7:40, before 8:30 they sleep. So that's what I have for today. I'll just do some little things that I have to do. That's how we spend our traditional wedding. And they are still doing the solar help. That's why you are hearing the noise. English. Oh my god. You guys can hear noise. They are fixing the solar. So we'll be using solar now. Okay. Thank you. I couldn't carry you guys along. The salmon fish is ready, so we're going to have that with it. I want to dish my husband's own now because he's going to work. Like I told you guys, he's going to work. Okay, yeah. So guys, I'm done. Bobby has gone to work. He went to pick the vine. So let's eat our food. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate with us our 9 years anniversary. So this is the this is the outcome. And a cup of tangerine juice here. Cheers to a good life. Cheers to prosperity. Cheers to many years in marriage, traditional marriage. Everything that our heart desires, and you in Jesus' name celebrate with us. Celebrate with us and join me to eat, guys. Join me to eat. So I will end the video for today. Tomorrow I will start another one. There is something coming up tomorrow which I will share with you guys. I don't want to say it here with Divine. Divine is here. She's also pouring her own juice. So, and Dominia also is enjoying himself. So, if you've watched this video up to this time, thank you so much. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you love what you see. If you love this beautiful grace. And also, I would like to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you. Turn on your notification bell if you're new, and also subscribe, yeah, to be a part of our family. And my membership is on. That's another way you can support me. I appreciate you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Dominic is eating. Divine is eating. Cheers. She wants to eat pizza that they brought. Bye. Bye. Okay, bye.